everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be taking you through a process of how to prepare a traditional food that you use to welcome my in-laws. So my husband's sister is coming here to spend the new year here. Yes, so and I want to welcome her with their traditional food. I'm from the northern part of Nigeria, and my husband is from the southern part of Nigeria, which is the Niger Delta region. Okay, Ijo precisely. Yes, so I'm going to be preparing their traditional food. So I'll take you all along with me. As you're watching, don't forget to give me a like and also drop your comments on what you feel about this video, about this food, from the comment section. Okay, it's a traditional food, that brings the family together, that bond the family together. Yes, so let's see how we prepare it, how I prepare it. Okay, the spices, okay, the ingredient varies. Okay, so as we are doing it, I'll be explaining and I will be telling you the difference. Okay, so let's go. So here is banga fruit, pumpkin seed. So I'm going to be boiling it. So there are two types. There's agro and there's natural one. So this one is the organic one. The seed is always tiny, while the agro one is big. It's bigger. The fruit is bigger. So I'm washing it. I've already washed this one thoroughly. I'm going to be boiling it. Okay, I'm going to be boiling it very well until it is soft that you can use your hands to squeeze it. Yes, so here is it. After boiling, you can see the color have changed. You can see the color have changed. Yes, so I'm going to be pounding it, okay, to be smooth. Okay, then I'll filter it. So here is my pomo. I've already steamed the meat. I'm steaming the meat, so I'm adding the pomo to it. I'm going to be highlighting the ingredient that I use. Here is fish. I will write it here, so read it. So while keeping it to steam, I'm done pounding it, so I'm squeezing it out to juice it out. You can see the one I'll filter out. Yes. So you have to be mindful of the water, the quantity of water to use, so that it will not be too watery. Yes, because if not, it will take time to dry off, for the water to dry off. Yes, so the seed I'm going to be drying separately to use it to extract oil, and then the shaft I'll dry it to use it to light up my charcoal, serve as oil. Yes, so you make sure you juice it out very well. Yes, to avoid wastage. Yes, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to give me a like. So after juicing it out, I've put it on fire. I've set out my meat aside. So here is my bitter leaf, fresh bitter leaf. I'm going to be pouring it inside immediately before it starts to boil, so that the soup will not be bitter. Yes, then once I'm done, I'm going to be turning in the meat, the boiled meat, the fish, the pomo, and the meat. I'm using goat meat. So turn it inside after the soup has boiled out. Yes, then you can allow it to boil first before you can add any other ingredient if you wish to. Yes, stir it now. Remember, after putting bitter leaf, don't stir immediately so that it will not be. So this is plantain. I'm going to be boiling it. I'll peel off the back and boil it. So I'm going to be covering it. I'll pour water inside. So so the soup is ready. Here it is. Here is the boiled plantain. This is the soup. With the natural oil. You don't need to add palm oil. So this is how it come out. Yes, this is gari. So this is their traditional food. This is their traditional food. So if you go there, this is what they'll serve you. So thank you so much for watching.